there are 3 ways you can access the DVI in. 1. The app will ask you to access DVI after you click the job card button, post capturing vehicle images. Or 2. From the home page, go to the service queue. In the service queue, there is a DVI option in each card on the top right side of the card. Or 3. Access it from the job card page. You can go to the job card page by going to the service queue, swiping towards the left the card of the vehicle for which DVI needs to be conducted, and then clicking on the job card button, which is the first button in queue. In the job card page, you will be able to see the DVI option towards the top right of the screen just below the vehicle details. Click the DVI option and go to the DVI page. Digital Vehicle Inspection or DVI is a step wherein a standard checklist of items grouped into various packages are offered as a paid service, or a value add to a customer at an additional cost. DVI is expected to be done by an expert who has an in-depth understanding of the vehicle components and its wear and tear. The most common examples of DVI checklists are like a 20-point checklist, or a 101-point checklist, which many workshops have as a part of their standard offering. DVI is a classic example of how workshops enabled cross-sale and upsell opportunities. Workshops from around the world offer DVI services for free to customers. DVI in most cases lead to additional business or a sale of a new service as it highlights such issues in the vehicle, which would have been ignored otherwise. It has been observed that the resistance of a customer towards the suggestions given to them after producing the DVI report is extremely low. Thus, a possibility of more easy business. The DVI checklists can vary as per vehicle make. In the software, there are some standard checklists provided by default. However, you are free to create more checklists by yourself by clicking on the Manage Checklists option. A detailed video of how to create custom checklists has been provided in a separate video. Coming back to the DVI page, here, you will see a drop-down titled Checklist Name. Click on the drop-down and select a checklist. In this example, we select a 20-point pre-service checklist. You can also select multiple checklists from here if need be. Upon selection, you will see a list of items populated on the screen. Please note that the predefined pricing of the DVI package also gets displayed besides the name of the package. It is important to remember that this value will get added to a customer's invoice as well. Thus, if you wish to provide this service for free or as a value add to a customer, change the price accordingly from the Manage Checklists option. Each item has 4 options. Based upon the expert's observation of the condition of an item, he or she can mark it as a low, medium or high priority item. The 4th option is to capture any additional remarks against the findings. You can add additional checklists by clicking the Add More option provided in the top left portion of the screen. Just click the Add More button and go towards the end of the list to select the checklist that needs to be added. Repeat the process of capturing the findings against each item. After marking the observations, the DVI can be saved by clicking on the Save option provided above. There is an option to generate a report of the conducted DVI towards the right-hand side of the Save button. By clicking on the Report button above, the DVI report can be generated and then shared with a client over WhatsApp or email. The same can be printed as well by clicking on the print icon. Alternatively, please click on the button titled Save and go to Estimate, provided towards the bottom of the screen and proceed to the job card and estimation section. A detailed video of how to create a job card has been provided in another video. Please do not forget subscribing to our channel for more training video updates. Thank you.